Open the side brush access door. Push the side brushes down. Remove the squeegee by pressing on the yellow tabs. Open the lid, remove the tank, and set aside. Tilt the machine until it's on its back. Open the side brush access door. Twist the blue brush knob and slide out the brush. Rinse the brush under a faucet. Once clean, replace the brush. Open the side brush access door. Insert the brush with the gray end first. Align with the blue receiver. Twist the blue knob until it locks into place. Return Cobi to an upright position. Open the lid and insert the tank. Click back on the squeegee. Reinstall the side brushes by opening the side brush access doors and clicking the brushes into place. Close the side brush access doors.